the next flexibility test we're going to do is trunk extension. So the purpose of this is to assess the upper body flexibility. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to start with you sitting on the ground, and I'm going to measure from the suprasternal notch, which is like when you breathe in, is that right there. And I'll measure from the baseline, which will be the floor, to that suprasternal notch. Okay, and I'll go ahead and ask you to sit up against the wall for me. Okay, make sure you're flat up against the wall.
So we're back against the wall?
Yes.
Or? Okay.
Thank you. Okay, if you'll just point to that for me. Thank you. 25. Alright. And then I'll ask you to go ahead and lay on your belly, which is in the prone position, and make sure that your feet are flat up against the wall for me. Make sure that your heels and your toes are touching. And then what we're going to do is you're going to put your hands behind your back, and what you're going to do is try to lift the upper portion of your body off the ground as far as you can, and make sure that your head stays in a neutral position. And we're going to hold that for 2 seconds, and I'm going to measure from the ground to that suprasternal notch again. Okay? Do you want to do a practice round and try to figure and just get the movement down?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, alright, and make sure that your hands are on your lower back.
Like right here?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, and back down. Okay, and make sure that your feet are staying up against the wall for me. Thank you. Was that a good practice round?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, whenever you're ready. You'll just hold it for 2 seconds for me. Okay. 13. And rest for a second. You think you can do it again for trial 2? Alrighty, I'll go ahead and get that again. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. Okay, you drop. You got 13 inches. So what we do for a score is you take the baseline, which was from the floor to the suprasternal notch when you're sitting up against the wall. We'll take that number and divide it by the number we got when you're laying prone on the floor, and we'll divide those two and multiply it by 100 to get your score. Okay, thank you.